Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can delete your Facebook account. So this is going to be a step-by-step tutorial, so by the end of this video you'll be able to delete your Facebook account. I'm going to show you how you can do this both on mobile and on PC. So if you are using PC, you can skip this part and go to the part where I show you how you can do this on PC. So to get started, you first click on your profile here, and then you navigate to settings and privacy. So under settings and privacy, you click on settings, and under settings you click on personal details, and it will open up a page like this. So you click on personal details again, and then click on account ownership and control, and here you can either deactivate or delete your account. So if you click on deactivation or deletion, it will ask you to choose the profile you want to either deactivate or delete. So you can also delete your Instagram profile here. So you click on the profile, click on deactivate account and click on continue. Or if you want to delete account, you click on delete your account and then click on continue. So now let me show you how you can do this on PC. Okay, so if you are on PC, once you log into your Facebook account, you come here and click on your profile picture, and then you come and click on settings and privacy. Then you click on settings, okay, then you come here at the left and click on personal details, and it will open another menu. So you click on personal details again under account settings, and then you come here and click on account ownership and control, and then deactivation or deletion. Then you choose the profile that you want to delete. So I will select my Facebook profile, and here you can choose either to deactivate your account or to delete your account. So if you want to only deactivate your Facebook account, you click on deactivate account and click on continue. And if you want to delete your account, you click on delete account here and click on continue, and it will take you to the process to delete your account. And that is it. It is very straightforward. So if that is what you needed, don't forget to like this video, subscribe if you want to see more, and I will see you on the next one.